We're looking for anybody that's been in the industry looking to make a move. That's one thing I always ask everybody. Where do you want to be when you start working? Do you want to stay in the body shop? Do you want to go to the paint shop? And it's my job to get you there. My name's Frank. I've been at Liberty Honda for 3 years. I'm the collision center manager. We're looking for a few roles, entry level to completely experienced. Disassembly is something we're looking for, somebody that has experience taking cars apart. You could be somebody that just starts out, entry level. Really, we just want good team players, people that are going to be here and jump right in and do whatever needs to be done from the morning to the end of the day. We do like to hire within. I like to move people around that have been here. We want to do whatever we can to keep people here and keep the environment growing with a positive, good team. Working for Executive Auto Group is great. They let me make decisions on what needs to be done. We've proved through the last 3 years that we can get the job done, which is why we're expanding, which is why we get state-of-the-art tools. I think that the shop is only made by the people that are in it. So you hire the right people, you keep them, you don't let them go, and from there, I think you build a good quality team.